Hi everyone. It's been a long time since I put a video up, and I've been quite busy actually, and been very tired, and this weather has been getting to me. So many reasons why I haven't. Hang on, I'm just trying to get the shit set up here. Right, but I received a package in the post, and it literally was out of the blue. I have no idea. I had no idea this was on its way until somebody asked to verify my address to make sure it hasn't changed. So then I thought, oh yeah, okay, yeah, sure, that's it. So this arrived a week ago, and yeah, I haven't gotten around to opening it, but I want to do it on camera so that the sender knows that I got it. I'll tell you now, I wish I had a workshop, because it'd give me something to do on the downtime. Right, first bit out, synthetic, forgot the name of it now. The music in the background is driving me nuts. I'm not sure if you can hear it. It's the neighbours. Artificial sinew, that's what it is. It's waxed nylon cordage for stitching. And there's a sewing needle, 2 sewing needles included, just there. A small package of something, quite hard. Some music that I like. What are these, nails? Ah, pins, brass pins. I know where this is going now. There's a big chunk of leather in here as well. God, it smells nice. Leather. Okay. Certainly very well packaged. Stabilized beech handle scales, and a second lot of stabilized beech handle scales, 2 red liners, and a pair of black liners. Doesn't take much to figure out what this is. It's gonna need cleaning to get all the glue off it from this bloody tape. This packing tape is some of the worst stuff you could use for things other than actual packaging, because it just leaves residue behind. I mean, look at that. Scotch. Well, you don't get anything for free nowadays. got a magnetic personality. Let's get this bit off here. Let's have a look at what this is. Oh. Yeah, I don't even need to test this. I know that this thing is shaving sharp. But just to keep you viewers happy. See? Job well done, Scott. And I love the design. Nice big handle, the stumpy blade that's actually got some character to it. The spine is rounded, the swedge is rounded, and if you should lose your grip, it stays with you. Alright, let's check the second one. Okay. So the background doesn't interfere. That's what the blade shape is. Right, blade number 2. May I recommend to everyone watching, if you're packing stuff off to send to people, use painter's masking tape for stuff like this, but use the standard packing tape for cardboard and paper. Just an idea. Or you can just totally ignore me and just do what you want anyway. But see, this brown packing tape has a habit of leaving the glue behind on the items that you wrap up. So, right. Ta-da! Again, I don't need to test this, I know the edge on that. I can tell just by looking at it that this thing, again, is hair popping sharp. Okay, stay. I'll have to do it one at a time. Okay. So again, excuse the Eastern European music in the background. It drives me insane, and I normally have headphones on, so I block it out. But there you go. 2 new knives for my collection to be made. These are by Scott from Wessex Blades. I'll put the link in the description. Thing is, as much as I like to set myself to getting these made as soon as possible, I've got no tools to complete this work. I do have tools, but they're all in storage, and I mean, like, I could work with hand tools, I guess. But yeah. It's also, I don't have a workshop. There is a garage here that I could be able to use, but my flatmate will not allow me to use it. And the only times that I go in there is if I have to check the hot water system for anything. So, 2 beautiful knives by the Spartan himself, Wessex Blades. I do like this one. I like both of them a lot. This one reminds me of a K-bar. Just the drop point up there. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. 2 knives, 2 sets of handle scales, 2 sets of liners, the brass pins, leather for the sheath, and sewing material, and 2 needles. Everything you need in a top quality DIY knife maker's kit. So look at that. It's almost like a magnet. Anyway, I'll leave you to it. Alright. Bye for now.